What's the meaning of Brazil nut? Brazil nut. Brazil nut.
Brazil nut. Brazil nut. The Brazil nut is a large edible seed of a South American tree, Bertholletia excelsa. It is commonly used in desserts and snack foods and is known for its rich, buttery flavor and crunchy texture. The Brazil nut is also an important source of income for many indigenous communities in the Amazon rainforest. However, overharvesting has led to concerns about the sustainability of this industry, and efforts are being made to promote responsible harvesting practices. In addition to its culinary uses, the Brazil nut is also believed to have a number of nutritional benefits, including high levels of protein, healthy fats, and antioxidants.